Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 not launching from Xbox or Microsoft Store. Let's fix it guys. The first step is to check for Windows updates. You just need to ensure where Windows OS is up to date. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending updates listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After getting your up to date, just close stuff here. The second step is to update the Xbox app and Microsoft Store. To do this, open up a Microsoft Store and select the library and select get updates option to ensure all your apps including the Xbox app and Microsoft Store are updated. If you have update for Microsoft Store, then you just need to update it, and after updating it, you just need to close stuff here, just pending, just going to minimize it. The third step is to sign out and sign back in. Sign out of your Xbox account in the Xbox app and Microsoft Store, then sign back in. To do this, open up Xbox and select the profile icon and select the sign out option, and after signing out, sign in again and try launching the Modern Warfare 3 and check if the problem solved or not. The fourth step is to reset the Xbox app and Microsoft Store. To do this, go to search menu and type store. Comes up Microsoft Store, right click on it and select app settings. You just need to scroll down and select the reset option and select reset again. After getting done, go back to installed apps. You just need to search for Xbox. Select the three dot icon next to it and select advanced options. Scroll down and select the reset option and select reset again. After getting done, just close stuff here. The fifth step is to clear Microsoft Store cache. To do this, go to search menu and type WSRESET. Comes up run command, click on open it. This will clear the Microsoft Store cache. After opening it, you can check if the problem solved or not. The sixth step is to check for game updates. Ensure that a game is fully updated. To do this, open up Xbox, select the My Library and find Modern Warfare 3 and select the dot icon next to it and select Manage. Select Files and select Check for Updates. If you have any updates, this will updates up. After that, just close stuff here. The seventh step is to reinstall the Xbox gaming services. To do this, go to search menu and type Powershell. Right click on the Windows Powershell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. After getting done, you just need to copy the second command and paste over here and press enter. After finishing the second command, copy the third command and paste it and press enter. This will open up Microsoft Store for you. Select the install option and install the gaming services. After getting done, just close stuff here. The eighth step is to reinstall the game. If the game still doesn't launch, try uninstalling and reinstalling it from the Microsoft Store or Xbox. To do this, open up Xbox and select the three dot icon next to it and select uninstall game. After uninstalling the game, reinstall it back and check if the problem solved or not. The ninth step is to disable background applications. Disable unnecessary background applications that might interfere with the game. You can do this by opening Task Manager. Right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. And you just need to close unnecessary background applications running in the background. Just by right click on it and select End Task. And after that, just to close stuff here. The 10th step is to run the game as administrator. To do this, open up Xbox and select the three dot icon next to the Modern Warfare 3 and select Manage and select Create Desktop Shortcut. After that, just close stuff here. Right click on the Modern Warfare 3 desktop shortcut and select Run as administrator and check if the problem solved or not. The 11th step is to check for graphics drivers updates. You just need to ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. To do this, for NVIDIA users, open the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates, and if you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date, guys. After that, just close stuff here. The 12th step is to perform a clean boot. Perform a clean boot to ensure no background services are interfering with the game. To do this, go to search menu and type msconfig. Click on open the system configuration. Select the services tab and select hide all Microsoft services and select disable all. And after that, go to startup tab and select open task manager. And in startup apps, you just need to disable every programs listed over here, guys, just by right click on it and disable it. After that, just to close stuff here and select apply and OK. Select the restart option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. The 13th step is to reset the Modern Warfare 3. To do this, go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side, select apps. On right side, select installed apps. And in here, you just need to search for Modern Warfare 3. For example, I'm just gonna search for Minecraft launcher. And you will be get the Modern Warfare 3. Click on the three dot icon next to it and select advanced options. Just need to scroll down and select the reset option and reset it. After getting done, just need to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 not launching from the Xbox app or the Microsoft Store on your computer. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.